delicious pancakes, the most successful, the best pancakes ever in the world. We are leaving. Where were we? Yeah, she's talking.
Leaving Flagstaff and headed to the Grand Canyon.
Yay, the Grand Canyon. So, as you can tell, we had a brilliant, long, hot, nice shower in what was Planet Fitness. I keep forgetting everything. What was my name?
We found a Planet Fitness in Arizona where the showers were open. Because in Mexico the showers are closed at Planet Fitness. So we finally found what we are looking for. It's nice to have limitless hot water and water flowing, and you could just get all your things done.
Yes, and Sadie is happy because she has clean parents.
Their parents are clean.
I got myself a new hat from REI. This is gonna do a lot better job. Yeah, on the road again. Captain. Sadie, do you have anything to say?
Just where it was needed, gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time. Nobody is losing, faces merge and change, but your face remains the same.
McDonald's in Grand Canyon. Oh yeah. Grand Canyon Trading. Chocolate Factory. Pizza Hut. Coming to here and eating our own pizza is great.
So we made it to the South Rim Visitor Center, and we're gonna eat our $7 prime pizza that we got at Whole Foods in the van, and then we'll go in the Visitor Center and see what they have to offer us. Only the South Rim is open in the winter, so we're going to go to the South Rim.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. I could have recorded him live.
South rim of the Grand Canyon, and we went to the Marketplace Village. There's a restaurant over here and a general store. It's hard to see with the sun. A general store there. It's like a small grocery store, and there's also a little souvenir shop, so that's really nice. There are restrooms outside of it. There's also a deli. You can get fresh sandwiches, so it's nice that they have that here. We didn't know what to expect, so we just stocked our fridge anyway before we came here. but now we know that there are things close by to keep us alive. So now we're gonna go find some BLM land to chill out and probably clean this van because it's getting really dirty. So we decided to walk to Mather's Point. This is like the visitor center.
So cold.
It's so cold.
Ooh.
It feels like 30 degrees or something. It's called Canyon Home.
Let's go.
Oh my!
This is unreal.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
This is like,
It like hurts my eyes how deep it is.
wow,
Wow,
Valerie's
this is
realizing
unbelievable. I can't believe how beautiful it is. Oh my gosh. Oh. Wow. Just wow. All I can say is wow. It's amazing. Oh.
it's just a magical experience. When we entered the park, it was like this bunch of pine trees. Wasn't expecting quickly turning into this phenomenal landscape. Right, Valerie?
Great. I knew the Grand Canyon was beautiful, but you really just have to see it with your own eyes
Oh yeah.
to really see its beauty. No camera, no matter how good, can capture its beauty
Yeah.
and amazingness. It's just so deep and so beautiful, like everything about it. The colors, the depth, the shapes, everything is phenomenal.
Wow. Yeah, it's very slippery. I don't think we should walk
No.
on these. Well, I wanna go back. So beautiful, but we'll come back early in the morning with more prepared
Yes.
self. And it goes through the whole rim, or is it?
The orange, so
Gotcha. Thank you.
Hey, baby.
How often do they
They're
cut?
so pretty.
And start
I see another one. You see the deer?
Huh?
Do you see the deer?
Oh, is it? Oh my God, it's a real one.
Yeah.
Oh, hi. Oh, there's another one. in the
Yeah,
back.
there is. So pretty.
I thought you said beer. I was like,
Ooh.
I thought you were talking about that.
Okay, the sun's going down. It's got really cold, so we're gonna find a parking spot and try to get up really early to start hiking around before it gets too crowded. Nice and warm in here. So this is the BLM land, public roads, in case you're wondering. This is generally what it looks like. It's just a gravel road. You can pull off on either side of it wherever you want to camp for the night. This looks like a good spot.
What do you expect, right?
Yeah. Looks like a fire pit too. Where are you?
Look at the stars.
The stars?
Yeah.
Oh.
Can you see?
Yeah, I can see.
They are moving.
What?
Yeah.
What is that?
I think it's stars.
That has to be airplanes.
I mean, is it possible it's airplanes?
Those are not stars.
They look like far though. And how can
I don't know why they're so close together.
they're on the line? You had to see there were like 100, not 100, like 30. 30 of them. Now they passed. I don't know. Felt like they were
Huh.
moving. Like,
Maybe they're helicopters.
they were like making like.
That's crazy.
Can it be stars? It looks so far. Helicopters can't be that far.
I guess not. That's really weird.
See, they're moving.
What the hell is that?
Like, they can't be like that many shooting stars.
No, those are not shooting stars. It's like some kind of aircraft, but I don't think airplanes are that close together, you know?
That's so weird.
Yeah.
Never seen such a thing.
Oh my gosh, me neither. Oh,
So beautiful.
well, that was bizarre.
I don't know if your GoPro can record any
I
of
don't
it.
know. It's recording our reaction, but I don't know if it can see anything. Bye, Sadie. We just found $1.
Yeah.